This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in UFC. Start with the core controls. Focus on light and heavy strikes using the face buttons and triggers. Blocking is crucial. Hold the right trigger for high block and right trigger plus left trigger for low block. Mastering these fundamental movements will give you a solid foundation to build upon, allowing you to react effectively to your opponent's actions. Effective striking isn't just about throwing punches. Vary your attacks between the head and body to deplete your opponent's health and stamina. Use feints by tapping a strike button without holding it down to trick them into blocking incorrectly. Always keep an eye on your stamina bar. Overcommitting can leave you vulnerable. The ground game is a critical component. Practice takedowns by holding the left stick down and pressing the X or a button. Once on the ground, focus on advancing to dominant positions like full mount or side control. From these positions, you can unleash powerful ground and pound or attempt a submission, aiming for a quick finish. To truly excel, observe your opponent's tendencies. Do they always throw a certain combo? Do they favor takedowns? Use this information to counter them. Regular practice in career mode or quick fight helps refine your techniques. Most importantly, maintain a calm and adaptive mindset. Don't get frustrated and adjust your game plan as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.